Okay, so I'm in my Microsoft Azure dashboard. I've logged in, and if you don't have an account, you just go to azure.com, click on the free account, you create one, and then you simply log in. You'll be brought to the portal here. It's portal.azure.com, like this. And then you'll be brought to your dashboard. Now let's create a resource. So let's come here, or let's just look at all the services here, and then most of the time you can just say container, or you can just say registry, like this. Registry. If you don't know what you're looking for, you can search it. You can filter the services available in here, like this. I'm interested in the container registry, so I'll just click this. Essentially, we are creating a private Docker repository where we'll be pushing our Docker images to. So that's what a container registry is for. I have a number of them here, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's create another one. So I'll just say add, like this. Okay, so finally booted up, actually heated. So the name of the registry is going to be part of the URI of our container registry. So we can just say jumpstart Jakarta EE, Jakarta -EE. Quite a counterintuitive name. Okay, so resource names may contain alphanumeric characters only between 5 and 50. Okay, fine. We can just say Jakarta jumpstart. It's just checking if it's available. So Jakarta Jumpstart is available. Let's see if Jumpstart alone is available. Then we can pick that one. Okay, it's not available. So Jumpstart Jakarta EE, like this. Okay, so Jumpstart Jakarta EE is available, so we pick that one. I have this subscription, so we leave it. The resource group, I'll just pick one of my resource groups like this, and then the location, I'll just leave this as default. Now there is an enable admin here. This is very important, so we need to enable this like this so that we can have a username and a password generated for us. So enable admin like this. SKU, just leave it at standard is just fine, or let me just say basic for the sake of this example. We just say basic. Now let's create it. This should take some time to create. Once it's created, we should have the data we want to populate our project for us. So it will take some time. Once it's done, we can just refresh this place, and then we should see it in here created for us. Okay, so our our registry has been created. Let me just click it. Okay, so those are private Docker repository, Azure container registry running on Microsoft Azure. You can see that the available disk space I have is 10 gigabytes, which is more than enough for our purposes, but you can pick whatever SKU suits your needs. So we have our registry created. Now let's scroll down. We are interested in this. This is the information we are interested in. Now we need these credentials to be able to push an image to our registry here. So first of all, I'm going to amend our project. When we come to our project here, I'm going to amend our project, this particular project here. The Docker name, we can just choose anything. We can say the Docker name should be Jumpstart. The Docker name refers to the image that will be the name of the image that will be created. Now we are going to change this. So registry, docker.registry, insert Azure container registry URL here. We're going to come here, and then we are coming to copy this. We copy like this, and then we paste this in here. Good. So we have the settings.xml. I'll just create one for you in the project so that you can use that as a starting point here. So let me come here and say settings.xml. So this settings.xml file here, if I come to my readme file here and just push this back, I come to my readme file here, I'll just copy this block like this and paste it here. Good. So now the ID for the registry, I'll just come in here and copy this registry name, copy the registry name and paste it here. Then the ID is actually the URI. This is the name. Let me just cut this. The username generated is this, like this. Paste this here. Then the ID is actually this, the URI. I'll paste this here. And then the password, you can pick one of these passwords. Normally I just pick the longer one. Just paste this here. By the way, all this will be changed, so even if you use this, they won't work. This is just be for sample example purposes. These won't work. You need to replace them with your own. So let me just come here again and then copy these particular ones so that you will remember to change them. Let me just paste. Oops, I'm interested in this. It looks like the readme file is causing problems. So let me just paste this here. I'll comment it out. I'll just comment these lines out. Let me say, remember to change these to your own. The above won't work. So let me just comment these out for you. So you need to use this. These won't work. By the time you watch this video, these will not work at all. This password won't work. You need to generate your own, push to update these bits of code here, and then in the pom.xml file as well.